Guys, I'm table tennising. Look, you can get one on Gray Pussy. Sabi ni Gray Pussy, he wants to table tennis, but he can talk. I want to table tennis. Oh, Gray talks. What the flip is that? Gray can talk?
Hindi, yun lang i-adjust mo na. Huwag mo press mo lang ito, oh. Oh, ganyan lang.
Look at Mama and Michael. Look at that. Look at that. Look at that. There's Mama and Auntie. They're eating the table tennis. They're placing the table tennis. So, part 2. Guys, bye. Table tennis table is done. So we're gonna move on in part 3. 3 is we need the blocker from the table tennis, but this is part 3. Let's move on into part 4. Our Papa's indeed electric fan. Let's move on into part 5. Papa just used this light green that green blocker. It can help me. Yeah. Let's move on into part 6. In part 6, Papa, look, because the table tennis table is wrong, they just do like that in part. Let's move on into part 7. In part 7, they just replace a new table tennis and new one. Look at that. There's a new one here. Let's move on into part 8. They're starting in the nest. Let's move on into part 9. The blocker is done with table tennis. Let's move on into part 9.
Tama na yan, Tama na yan.